We've come to a remote area, far from Blondie's normal haunts, and we've found a bear. It's definitely a mum. She's got cubs. But is it Blondie? It is Blondie. Oh no. There's only 2 cubs. Where's the 3rd cub? Blondie's only now got 2 cubs. The last time that Blondie was seen, she was being harassed by wolves. I only see 2 cubs. She's lost a cub. And I would think probably it was wolves. We always knew this was a tough place to raise the family. Only 50% of cubs make it through their first year. But it doesn't make it any easier. I simply can't help getting emotionally involved with these characters. And right now, my heart goes out to Blondie. But even though she lost one of her cubs, that's going to take the pressure off. Raising 2 cubs will be easier for her. And with a kill like this, I mean, that's a good start for her. What she's found for herself is a seal carcass, so she's got a thumping great big bit of meat to feed on. But what a bonus, because it means she doesn't have to be where those big males are, at the salmon run. That's where all the action is. That's where most of the bears need to be. But not Blondie. She can't afford to risk those cubs.